In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link pages in Framer. Linking pages is one of the most essential things you'll do when building a website or prototype in Framer. It's what turns a collection of separate designs into a smooth, clickable experience. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step, so even if you're new to Framer, you'll be able to follow along easily. First, make sure you have your project open in Framer and that you're in the canvas view where you can see your different pages or frames. Start by selecting the page that contains the element you want to turn into a link. This might be your home page, a pricing page, or any other screen in your project. Click on that page in the left-hand panel or directly on the canvas so that it becomes active. This just ensures that any changes you make apply to the right page. Next, click on the specific element you want to link. This could be a button, a text label, an image, or even a navigation item. You want to be sure you're selecting the actual interactive layer, not a group or background by accident. If you're having trouble, try using the Layers panel to click the exact element. Once it's selected, you should see its properties appear in the right-hand sidebar. In that right-hand panel, look for the option that controls interactions. You'll see a setting labeled something like Link To or a link icon. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Framer lets you define what happens when someone clicks or taps on that element. By opening this, you're telling Framer, I want this element to navigate somewhere. After clicking Link To, you'll see a list or menu of destinations you can choose from. These usually include other pages in your project, sections on the same page, or sometimes external URLs depending on your setup. For now, choose the page you want your user to go to. For example, if this is a contact button, select your contact page. Once you click that destination, Framer will create the link connection for you. Take a moment to preview your project. Use the preview or play button, then click the element you just linked. You should be taken straight to the page you selected. If it doesn't feel